Hello friends, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Today in Excel, we'll learn how to customize and create bar chart and column chart. So for that, I have created one dataset. The dataset is consisting of the list of companies and number of products they have. So this is a very simple data list which I will take and I will create one bar chart. Otherwise, it can be a column chart also. For that, just select either the whole range and for a quick chart, quick graph, press F11. If you press F11, immediately a new sheet of chart 1 will be created and the bars are available like this. And in this session, we'll discuss, we'll customize, we'll reformat and beautify different portion of this chart and we'll make it more presentable and attractive. See, as the data says, the company name is available in x-axis and the quantity of a number of products for each and every company is showing here. So we can select the bars automatically. The whole bars of all company will be selected. Right click, add data level. If we create and select add data level, the quantities will be added at the top as you are able to see. Now see how the quantity is added here. You can change the individual colors of the bars which are available in front of you, or as a whole, entirely all together you can change the colors. You can define and select any of the preset color, or individually if you want this particular Cadbury product, select it alone. If you click it once again, it will be selected automatically, only one single. And now right click and format. Fill the solid color. The data level is only filling up. Okay, see. And if you want the bar to be filled up, then right click, format data point, fill, solid fill, and if you select any color, the data point will be, the bar will be colored according to your choice. Go to this parlay, format data point, fill it with any color, select a color of your choice. Just like this, individually one by one you can select. You can select all of them together and choose and change the data type to 3D of this type. Select it and choose a data type of this one or this one. Any portion of this chart you can customize. See the background lines, you can remove them by selecting it and pressing delete. This top level also you can change just like this. Products, details of companies. If you want the label to be available, keep it or select it or delete it and remove it. You can change the background color also. Format wall, solid fill to any color, any light color you give. Like this. Select the data points and go for any preset format as this is or to be this. Here selected one, the labels, data labels, and change it to any color or right click and customize it. Format the plot area. Close. Format the axis. Fill the axis, solid axis. See how it is getting changed. Keep a note of this. Line color, line style, shadow, 3D format, alignment, anything you can change. Finally, you can copy the entire graph and come back to your data sheet, and by the side of this you can paste it so that by the side the graph as well as the original data is staying. It looks great. You can customize your details accordingly. If you want, you can remove it also so that only the graph will be visible. Accordingly, you can customize it. Okay. Finally, save it. And the graph and the original data are very related to each other. And how the graph changes according to the data, you can see it here. Suppose Parley is having the data of 22. Now I want that to be 32. Press enter and automatically it changes to 32, and others are also relatively their area is adjusted in accordance and ratio of the new data. Hope you understood it, finally save it, and thank you for watching.